Let's see if they have adapters for that. See that? She's got the notch in there. But don't have this piece. This piece right here. We don't have this piece. Huh. So we push this back out here. Okay. Let's see if everyone can thread a bit. No. Huh. Okay. Put that in like that. Put this in like this. What the hell? Oh, universal ones. Okay. Oh boy. Oh God. One of these kind that you gotta make it bigger. You flip it over like this. Okay. Just like that. Push that in like that. We don't want this one, we want this one. It's all the same, Mickey Mouse. Key goes upward. Like this. Just like that. And then this goes like this. Like that. Turn that around like that. Take the screw, put it in like this. Now hope that you're putting in the right one. That looks right. Make sure you're getting it in the hole. There we go. There we go. Got her in the hole. She's not a virgin. She's wore right in. Okay. Screw in as far as you can. If you like screwing around. I like screwing around, hey boy. And like I said, I hope I'm putting the right one in. That's what she said. Put it in there. Come on. Put it in the hole. Need help? You need help finding the hole, boy? Probably do, huh? Just like that. Put it in the hole. Come on. Come on. Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Oh my God. Come on. So get it nice and straight. There you go. It's like picking a lock. Whoa, it's a lock. Whoa. There we go. Come on, wiggle it around. There you go. Get it in there. That's what she said. Get it in there. Come on. All I want to do is see that the key goes in and it opens it. That's all I want to see. Then I'm done. I'm done for today. And I'm pretty sure this is the right one because, yeah, this one ain't weather beaten. This one's weather beaten from being outside. Come on. Tighten her up. Okay, tighten her up. There you go. Okay, tighten her up. Well, you got a real issue, don't ya? Okay, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch. Okay. Yeah. Well, look at the key, boy. Okay, works. Okay, lock it. Okay, locked. Key, boy. So, landlord gets this key, I get one key. Look for the whistle, the rape whistle. There you go. Should be it. Let's go from over here so you can see. I'm not cheating. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be motherfucking kidding me. I knew it. Put the wrong fucking one on there. Son of a fucking bitch. I put back on the one I took off. My fucking God. My fucking God. I put back on the one I took off. Take this motherfucker and shove it up your motherfucking devil ass. Get into position. You like being in that position, right, boy? Come on, boy. You like being in that position? Bending over. Come on. Find the hole. Come on. Find that motherfucking hole, boy. There you go. Stick it in. Stick it in. Wiggle it around. There you go. Stick it in and wiggle it around. There you go. Stick it in and wiggle it around. There you go. Like you take it up. Okay. Do the other one. $10. I believe $50. Me doing all this. Should be good. Like that. It's like a fucking. There you go. Huh? Got this. There you go. Spin it in. Huh? That. Huh? That. Huh? 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 There you go. You like that? Huh? You like that? There you go. Get it in, baby. Get it in there. There you go. Get it in there. Yes. You get it in there. Okay. Woo! I'm so glad I got tomorrow off. I'm gonna need a day off after this. I can't believe I did 3 in one day. You want to make sure it's straight, you know what I mean? Wiggle it around where we gotta do. And now close it. Do this snug thing. Quarter inch. Motherfucker just keeps falling off. Quarter inch. Quarter turn, whatever the fuck ever. There. Yeah. You lock it. Try the motherfucking key now. We whistle, right whistle. Okay. Here's the fucking key. Come on. Get it in the hole. Oh my god. It turned. Lock the door. Hope I get inside. Lock myself out. See you there. Bye. Let's make sure that was locked. You go for your turn. You go for your turn. So I guess this way, to the right, lock. Wow, okay. And turn to the left. Unlock. Let's see. Oh my god. Turn off that fucking light. I fixed that too, so it latches. First thing when I moved in here, or before I moved in here, I said, hey, why don't this stay shut? And he slammed it, and he slammed it, and he slammed it, and eventually he slammed it so much that it stayed shut. But I found out that the hole wasn't lined up with the latch. Like I said, I've been fixing locks. Maybe I should be a locksmith. There you go. Maybe I should be a locksmith. I heard there's good money in locksmiths.
Check it out. These scouts are on their way to earning their bow and arrow badge.
Wow, these keys are just exactly alike. Look at that.
Scouts enter all sorts of badges.
True boat, true boat. Huh. Wow. Exactly like.
Are you in or are you in?
But they are different. Okay, so now I gotta remember the one that's open in the middle is for the back door. The one with the stuff in the middle is for the downstairs front door. I can't believe I did all this on my Thanksgiving weekend. You know, I'm supposed to be being with family in Milwaukee. This is how I'm spending my time. Yeah. So, here's your